Hi, could I pick up a oil, air and fuel filter to suit a 79 series Land Cruiser? It's just been doing the daily commute, but it's time to get it out for the weekend.
Four-wheel drive owners love their cars. They love the look, the exhilaration of adventurous driving, and they love modifying them. From suspension lifts to rooftop tents, if the owner sees and understands the purpose behind a modification, they'll jump at it. Two very popular engine modifications are the catch can and fuel water separator. A water separator is a device that removes any water from the vehicle's fuel before it can reach the high pressure pump and injectors, causing extensive damage to the system. They're used as a first line of defence, filtering water and particulates from diesel fuel, and are fitted in line but before the existing OE filter. The catch can, or crankcase filter assembly, catch vaporous gases as they exit the engine's PCV system. These devices help prevent sludging of the intake manifold, which can be a major cause of power loss and poor running, both of which require expensive repair. Crankcase vapours are first separated into a liquid, which are then collected in a sump, and the filtered gas can now enter the intake system. While picking the Ryco filters required for the 79 series, this is a perfect opportunity to introduce the Ryco Filters 4x4 Filtration Upgrade. It's from the Ryco Specialty segment of products. This upgrade is a valuable form of preventative maintenance, as the combination of some off-road adventure and the start-stop driving in city traffic is what these products were designed for. All vehicle-specific RVSK fitting kits are designed to make installing a catch can and fuel water separator easier in the engine bay. In this case, the Land Cruiser upgrade kit is an RVSK106 and includes the mounting bracket to suit installation of the RCC 351 catch can and Z980K fuel water separator. The combined purchase includes all the required automotive specific hoses, fittings and detailed installation instructions to get the job done. For ongoing maintenance, both the catch can filter and fuel water separator can be purchased separately. Keep in mind, there are two types of the Z980. The 980S version is physically shorter and used where engine bay real estate is at a premium. With technical knowledge gained from the Ryco Filters Training Academy, a little understanding of your customer and vehicle needs, you can recommend Ryco Filter products with confidence and pride. Thanks for watching.